How to create an email campaign in HubSpot. So first go to your homepage. Next is look to your left. Now click on marketing. Then just click on email. Okay. Now let's just skip this. Then just click on create email. Now you'll have three options here. So let's just click on regular. Click on next. And you'll just need to click on any of the templates here. Just choose any one here. So let's say I want to choose this one, the basic one. Okay, and then after that, you can see at the left side you'll have different options to add anything here and to design your email. And you can also see at the top that there are settings here. Now you can edit your email settings here, as you can see, from name, from address, subject line, and just customize it however you want. And you can also see the send or schedule here. So select your recipients, and you can also add to, you can also select any of their contacts that you don't want to send the email to. So just choose anyone here, the drop down. And as for the sending options, you can either send it now or schedule it for later. And you can also see the automation here at the top. You can create your own simple workflow here. So if you want, after you've done all of that, just click on send here. And if you want to send it now, just click on send now and just click on review and send. So that's it. If you found this video useful, please like and subscribe for more videos like this. See you in the next one.